Hello, for the first video, I would like to share on how to easily download a whole series of movie, cartoon, or any kind of show that you like using IDM. Probably. First of all, your computer must have IDM. Then, open your internet browser, which is mine, Google Chrome. I would like to download, as an example, Avatar: The Last Airbender series. So I googled index of the name of the show that you want to download, which is mine, Avatar: The Last Airbender. Then search. Not all of the websites still working, but we will try click the third websites. So there is Season 1, Season 2, and Season 3. Click on the S1. Right click, go to the IDM integration module, click, download all links with IDM. A list of downloadable items appeared. Click check all and untick index. And the last one. Make sure to only tick the video file. Then click OK. The IDM will ask to add the files to a queue. I will add a new queue. Tick Start Queue Processing and click OK. Open your IDM and you can see the videos is downloading. Thank you.